Welcome to the video tutorials of inSis suite. Welcome to the brief video on configuring remote monitoring for manufacturing companies using inSis Luna cloud software. inSis Luna is hosted on cloud and is accessible from everywhere. Users will download inSis TCN data collector node and install at their premises. inSis TCN will connect to the manufacturing control systems like PLC, SCADA, DCS, RTUs, or any other systems at manufacturing facility. inSis DCN collect operations data from these control systems locally and transfer to inSis Luna cloud system. Users will access this manufacturing information from their home, office, and elsewhere in real time. inSis Luna not only provides remote monitoring of manufacturing facilities, but also serves as single point source for all the real-time manufacturing information, like real-time process information, historical trends, real-time performance metrics, KPIs, notifications, reports, assets visibility, etc. Further, it provides the necessary tools to analyze and troubleshoot the operational and performance issues that are essential for operational excellence. Now, let us see how to log in into inSis Luna admin portal. Open your internet browser and type the inSis Luna cloud web address provided to you. For demo purpose, let us consider the user company as ABC Oil Company. User must provide his valid username in the login page, and then click on Next. User is navigated to the main login page. Enter password and login. On the admin home page, you can find Explore, Security and Insight modules. Using System Explore module, you can create and manage tags, configure gateways, configure settings, etc. Using Security module, you can manage and create other users, user groups and roles for your company. Using Insight module, user can view various inside information of system like tag values, data queues, etc. This module will help you to troubleshoot connectivity and data issues. First step in configuring data collection is to create a data source gateway. Data source gateway represent the connecting point of a control system or any other system in the manufacturing plant. You can configure the gateway by using Data Sources option in the System Explorer page. Expand the data sources in the Object Browser left pane. There user can find OPC gateways, SQL gateways, ODBC gateways for historians, file gateways and Modbus gateways. By using any one of these gateways, user can bring the real-time operations data into the inSis server. Most control systems like SCADA or DCS provide OPC gateways for third-party data read. Let us create an OPC gateway to get data from the OPC servers. To create an OPC gateway, click on OPC Gateways node, and you will find New button on the main toolbar. On clicking on that new button, OPC gateway details will be displayed. Give a proper name, port number and other necessary details in that page. Enable the gateway, and select the gateway mode as remote, as we will be bringing the data from a remote OPC gateway into inSis Luna Cloud. On selecting the remote mode, we will find gateway type. Let us select the gateway type as data collector. Also give the remote gateway identifier as ABC_OPC. On giving all the details required, click on Save. On successful save, a notification will be provided with result of save activity. Each operating parameter is called a tag. Tags are created to read data operating parameters through these gateways. Now, let us see how to create tags. To create tags, go to the System Explorer by clicking on Explore tile. Before creating tags, one need to create a template for the tags. By default, there are few templates like analog tags, digital tags, manual entry tags, etc. You can create tags under these templates. However, to create a custom template, click on Editor button. Then you will be navigated to the template details page. Give a name and description to the template. Let us create a template for the analog 2 tags. Click on Save button, and a notification will be displayed on successful save activity. Now let's click on the drill down of the tags. There you can find the analog 2 tags template. Click on the template, and user needs to provide template field details further. User can add template field details by clicking on Add New Record. Then user will find field type, name, description, data type, enable history, and historian. After giving proper field type and execution field, user can save the details by clicking on Save button. On successful save, a notification will be provided with result of save activity. Now, user is ready to create the corresponding tags under the created tag template. To create the tags, go to the System Explorer page. Expand the Tags node. There you'll find the Analog 2 tags. Click on the Analog 2 tags. Then you'll find New button on the main toolbar. Click on that New button, and new Analog 2 tag is automatically created. User can make the necessary changes to the created tag, and enable it. To create multiple tags, user can bulk upload the tags by clicking on the Loader button, and then on Bulk Load. Then user will be navigated to the Bulk Load page. There he can select the required template, and can upload the tags. Then the uploaded tags will be placed under the selected template, under the Tags section in the System Explorer page. Till now, we learnt about the tags and gateway configuration in the cloud server. Now, let us know how to push the data from the plant server to the cloud. To do that, we need to install inSis DCN at any workstation in the manufacturing plant that is connected to OPC server of the SCADA or DCS systems. Install the inSis DCN setup file on the workstation. For demo purpose, we are using virtual machine as plant server. Once the inSis DCN is installed, you will find a shortcut on the desktop. To start the data collection process, open the DCN config app, and log into app using default credentials. After logging in, user can find a brief information about DCN service status, master status, start time, last published time, service, gateways and item summary on the home page. On the left side, user can also find settings and about DCN config. By clicking on Settings, user can find some general settings which need to be provided for pushing the data to the cloud. In this Settings page, update the master host name and data collector identifier. User need to use the same data collector identifier, ABC_OPC, which is provided during the configuration of gateways in the cloud, and also user needs to use the IP address of the cloud server in the master host name. User needs to select Remote option if he is pushing data to the cloud. Further, user can give further information in data publish level, monitor interval, enable PCS write, refresh interval, and debug level. After giving all the required information, user can save the settings. From then, the data will be pushed to the cloud from DCN config. And the necessary gateway information and items summary can be monitored from the home page of the DCN config. User can access the updated data from the cloud. Let us have a quick look at accessing data from the cloud. We have installed Matricon OPC simulation server in the gateway machine, where we installed the inSis DCN component. This OPC simulation server acts as a data source and simulate the functionality of PLC or SCADA or DCS system of the manufacturing facility. These are the tags currently available in the simulation server. Let us see how the data from this remote OPC server is collected locally and pushed to inSis Luna server, which is installed on cloud or at remote location. We have already created a gateway in inSis Luna server and set the mode to remote and provided a identification code. This identification code is entered in the inSis DCN settings, along with inSis Luna server IP address or domain name. When the inSis DCN program is started in remote gateway, it will communicate with inSis Luna server and obtain all the tag definitions and data source details. To view this, go to the system view of the cloud server and click on the drill down of the data source system. There user can find all the data sources available. inSis DCN use the tag definitions to connect to local OPC servers, relations databases, files, Modbus devices, etc. As we created an OPC gateway, expand that, and select the ABC OPC gateway. There we can find the gateway name, mode, which indicates that the data is being collected from remote OPC server, from a remote manufacturing facility, and status. Once the connection is established, the DCN collects the real-time operations data from these data sources and push data to inSis Luna server. As we can see, currently 2 OPC servers are connected to inSis DCS. There are about 6 tags, for which the data is being collected locally. Let us see the data queues. In the system view, browse to the respective gateway interface. To see the data queue, click on Data Queue. Select the desired tag and you can see that the data is coming into the inSis Luna from the remote gateway computer. User can also start and stop the services of the DCN config from the home page in the remote gateway computer, and also he can change the password from the settings page. User can also reset local cache, which deletes the tags and gateways details that are fetched from cloud server. To restore default settings, click on Reset to Default Settings button. User can find the version and more information on inSis Suite and inSis DCN by clicking on About DCN Config. You can log out from the app by clicking on Logout button on the top of the right side. Now, let us see how this data is visualized in the InfoView Smart Trend, OneView, etc. Using analytics, smart trend, dashboards, mobile apps, etc., you can access this real-time and historical operations data from web or mobile, from home or office. Watch overview of inSis InfoView, inSis OneView, mobile apps and inSis Smart Trend videos in our inSis Suite channel to quickly understand how to use these apps to monitor the operations data. Thank you.